Make a great choice today with the 2014 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, tow hitch, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.